Okay, we are at the end of day 2, and to date most of the work was done on the side yard. So preparing the flower beds and laying down some soil, cleaning things up and flattening things out, really. So that was the bulk of the work today. Let me just check on the side here in case they did and they shaped this. They started shaping this flower bed as well, which is going to go all along the side of the house there. And then the other big thing was on this side, the drainage situation. So let me just walk over there. Oh, we can see it from this side this time. So I'll show you what this looks like. That's going to be the tube that the water is going to flow down. So in yesterday's video, I showed you from that side looking towards where I am now. And then they dug this little trench. And then let's go on the other side. I'll show you what happened here. Now, there used to be an old farm wall made of stone that was causing an issue. It was blocking the water flow, which is just over here. So they had to cut through that just to let the water go through, which they've done. Let me see if we can see it on the other side. I'm gonna walk down the driveway here. And it was causing water to pool. Whenever it rained a lot, it would pool. Like there was a section there that would just pool water, which obviously is a pain. Okay, let me see, because I saw them doing some work down here. Let me see what they did down here. I see tracks. This is our street. That's the ditch where we're hoping all the water is eventually going to go. I think they just, they're going to have to make sure that there's a path for that water to go down to the street there, which is awesome. But I think that was it for today. There was a lot of equipment here. There was a dump truck that dumped this soil, and then a lot of digging on that side there just to deal with the water situation. So tomorrow tomorrow they're calling for rain, so I'm not sure if they're actually going to get any work done. It might be Thursday. What day is it tomorrow? Today we're Tuesday, so it's Wednesday. Yeah, they're calling for rain Wednesday, so we'll have to see if they continue tomorrow or not. And then all of this soil is for this raised bed, the one that's like right beneath it, essentially. The rest of the side yard, where they're going to be seeding clover and grass seed and whatnot. And then sodding is in the back, but I think they're going to do that last. And then that flower bed on the side of the house. So quick update. Still got a lot done, but still a lot to do.